Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade V2020 and I'm gonna show you how to take live photo in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's stay here and focus on this settings bar. Here we have to pick this option, the third from the right, so just one tap to turn on live photo, another tap to turn it off, and this is really easy. Now let me keep it turned on, and when we have this, when we take a picture, we can get 2-in-1, the photo and the short clip. So let me show you how it works, and let me take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and now we can see the short clip. We can also stop this by tapping on this button here and see only the picture. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.